There's quite a bit that goes into designing a knife, from forging art knives into what I call using knives. What am I accomplishing with this design? We're actually one of the few companies out there where the owner of the company, the onboard designer, is still with the company. All of the designs are still by me, Rick Hinderer. All of the handles, the blades, the screws, the pivots, all those critical components are made right here. It's easy to control the quality when I control how it's made. All the critical components are made right here in Shreveville, Ohio. We get all the materials in, the titanium for the lock sides and liners and the blades, and we use a water jet machine to cut all of the coupons out. And we send them over to machine all of those parts. And then the blades go out to heat treat, and then when they come back, they get surface ground to where it's perfectly thick. Then they get over to our bevel grinder. Meanwhile, the lock sides are done, they're sent up to assembly. During that time, the pivots, the screws, bolts, everything's already being made. All of the locks on the knives are ground by hand and fitted. Then they start putting these together. That's where the rubber meets the road, because that's where we have our expert assemblers. And these people are truly experts in building a knife. That's all they do all day long. Quality control starts with the assembler. When they go from the assembler to sharpening, person doing the sharpening checks for quality control. Then they get sharpened, they get the logos put on them with the laser, and then shipping checks them. They meet our quality control standards and they get shipped out. What is the value in a $400 knife? What I tell people is it's the sum of the parts. It's the sum of everything that goes into a Rick Hinderer knife. From the design aspect of it, each part that is made here, it's made here so that we can assure the quality of each part that goes into the knife. We're excited for the industry, we're excited for our customers, and yeah, we're gonna kill it.